Good morning, everybody. We've got the one-sided spiral. Rinsing out another t-shirt. The diamond. I think this one's gonna come out pretty cool.
I don't want to wash this one with the other one.
You wanna isolate them?
Yeah, I can't afford to fuck that peace sign up. I really want to put that in the top.
I got you. Okay. You gotta band it a little out here. You can get into it a little bit, yeah. This one's just a giant bulk of dye trapping fabric. Nice dark colors, multiple blues and purples tie-dye. To the inside?
Yeah.
To the inside. Look at that. What do you think so far?
So far, so good.
Nice colorway.
I know, I was just saying that how I like these colors together.
Yep.
This was lavender, cayman, and glacier.
Yep.
I didn't look at it until I don't even have to think.
We're getting good at remembering them now.
We really need to change out our soda ash because all these shirts are like super slimy.
Yeah, I was gonna do it yesterday, but told me not to, so. It's been in there for a minute. Definitely time for a replacement. I just put a lot of Laundra booster in them with them. What we got? After it's turned like 10 different ways inside out, but let's see what we got. Flippity floppity floop.
There we go.
Look at that. Wow, that's pretty cool. That made a nice pattern. Look at that.
It worked.
Oh yeah, pull it back away. I can't see the design on it. There we go. Yeah.
Well, it's only a
yeah.
scrunch on the back.
I know. Scrunch on the back, spiral on the front. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see that back. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice. And here's the final result. Check that out. Nice. One-sided spiral. As you can see, it's only on the one side. It came out really good. I actually like her choice of colors. Made a nice spiral, especially with the white. Yeah. Let us know what you think in the comments below. It's very wrinkly. I probably should have ironed it, but oh well. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.